Moment you are listening, anything or reading, our attention should be on head and spine. Try to cover complete length of his spine. But more awareness on the posterior surface of head, posterior surface of neck, and the spine behind thoracic area. It is exactly like that if you put a curtain over eyes. What is the thickness of curtain? What is transparency? According to that you will see exactly in the same way which part of body you are feeling. That will decide what you are listening and what is understanding. The moment you have full awareness to experience head and spine and breath and bhrumad, then you will have no attachment, aversion towards any sense perception, but we will develop pure love. Pure love is knowledge. This is important point. Therefore, try to have awareness, complete length of his spine and head, but more awareness of medullary area, cervical and thoracic. Let me explain in the brief. This whole universe is a dream of God. How to understand it? Every night we see the dream. What is that dream? Our consciousness which is flowing inside. Whatever name you give, that power, with the help of that power, we create a dream in the night. And we give the power to the creation of a dream. Horse is running. From where that horse is getting power in the dream? That consciousness which is inside has given power to that horse. Fish is swimming in the river, ocean, anywhere. Who created ocean and fish and who gave animation power? It is my own consciousness. We are creator of dream in the night. We are giving animation effect to the creation of the dream. Then do not create any dual thought of division. Do not practice attachment aversion. Do not practice likes and dislikes. Practice this. God has become all. But try to think we cannot do it. It is difficult. And you are seeing the newspaper. Something is going on very bad which we do not like. Immediately will develop aversion, hatred. Okay, I will not do. But somebody is talking to you. Oh, that is very harsh talk. That person does not know how to talk. You get aversion. Therefore it is very difficult how to practice life charged with the love of God. Should not have attachment, aversion towards any things. But try to follow in this way. Try to apply Kriya Yoga principle to feel presence of power, knowledge, peace all the time. If I am standing here, if my attention is on each and every point of from tip of the nails of the toes to top of the head, on breath, on each and every point. What I experience, complete knowledge. Knowledge which can create the whole universe. Knowledge which can preserve the universe. Knowledge which can make a change. Not only the knowledge, power, peace, bliss, immortality. All I am experiencing in this from head to toes. So try to do it the best all the time. How to do all the time? When you are eating the food, during that, try to have oneness with the taste, oneness with the touch of the food, oneness with the plate, oneness with the thought of how this great work was done. Grains were cultivated and we boiled, we are eating it. It is our responsibility to transform this into human consciousness. At the same time, we need power, knowledge, peace to transform those food materials into human consciousness and try to feel each and every point from tip of the nails of the toes to top of the head. Try to feel it more and more. With each bite, with each test, our concentration should be more on head to toes. Try to love it and practice in quality. Then you will find there is no time. Now mind and intelligence are not free to create a divisional thought. This please try again. Otherwise sit in the class years together. Do you think that we are practicing Kriya Yoga? Not completely. We are trying to practice. Therefore, when you are sitting here, if you are not following the principle in daily life, how much you are following, that much we are practicing. It is our responsibility to help not only one nation, to help all nations which are on this earth. From here, we have to help all galaxies, solar system, stars. How it is possible? If sun is able to help us, with the help of sun rays we have grains and fruits, then we are not less powerful than sun. If sun is able to help us, if sky is able to help us and everybody, in the same way you can help solar system, you can help galaxies, but you have decided you can't do it. This is the problem. If you are creating any thought of division, it will crush your system. Do not allow mind and intelligence to create any thought of division for anyone. I can give you an example. Mahatma Gandhi went to Noakhali. There was a big Hindu-Muslim riot, big murder killing going on. Muslim converted temples into mosques. When Gandhiji went there, he convinced them. Then again all mosques were converted into temple. That much convincing power we need. We are making ourselves ready up to 2021. Be ready not to have attachment, aversion towards anything in the world. Then we are free to work. Otherwise you will be lost.